guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Luce if you're new. So today I finally have a video going up for you guys. It's been like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. And I'm sorry if I keep looking over here. I need to get used to filming again. But so basically today I did this pink kind of look based off my birthday nails. I also have eyeliner there, but those are my birthday nails, and I kind of did it like, you know, somewhat kind of like this. This is basically my birthday get ready with me because it's my birthday tomorrow, or as you're watching this today. So yeah, but also in July there's going to be another birthday video because I'm having my sweet 16 in July or June. I think it's July. So there's going to be 2 birthday videos in 1 year, but I'm sorry I haven't filmed in a while. It's just because I don't have a filming area. I'm actually filming in my bathroom right now with my background. So I kind of don't have a filming area no more, and I'm gonna do a whole update video because there has been a lot going on. So I'm sorry I haven't filmed, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys hopefully next week, or maybe the following week, or maybe next month. I don't know. I'm really trying, but there will be an update video going up. So yeah, without further ado, keep on watching to get this little eye makeup look type thing. Bye. So the first thing I am doing is my eyebrows. I have a full-blown tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, so I'll leave that in the description box or at the end of this video. But I'm using the Anastasia Dark Brown Brow Powder Duo, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows. Now I'm using this random eyeshadow primer that I got in a Batman set from CVS, but it's just a eyeshadow primer. It's called Protector of Gotham, I'm guessing. It's just a random eyeshadow primer, and I'm just using this to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow so it can last all day and it won't crease. So now that I blended in all the eyeshadow primer, I want to make sure that it is completely set so it doesn't grab onto the eyeshadow. And I'm just using my regular face powder with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going over that to smooth everything out so I don't have any random patches when I apply my eyeshadow. Now taking a crease brush, I'm going to apply my transition shades, which I'm using this LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden. It's more of like an orangey brownish color, and I'm just popping that into the crease as a transition shade so all my eyeshadows blend together. I really do love this eyeshadow because it's just very pigmented and it doesn't have no glitter, which I hate glittery transition shades. So this is perfect, and it's only $1 at the dollar store, so I mean, hey, it's a deal. Now I'm taking my Gwen Stefani palette from Urban Decay. I love this palette. You guys know I use it a lot. And I'm taking the shade Zone and Anaheim, and I'm mixing those together just to add on to the Forbidden shade, just as another transition shade, and it just blends everything and it looks more natural instead of so orange. I don't know, this is just an extra step I like to do. It's not necessary though, it's just something I do, but it comes out so pretty at the end. Now going into my Morphe 35C palette. I love this palette because it has so many bright shades and it also has natural shades, so it's a perfect palette for beginners. And I'm taking those two pink colors and I'm mixing them together and I'm layering that underneath the transition shades so that I could have a light pink overwash. And it's just very easy to apply it underneath the brown shade, so it just blends together and it doesn't look like a whole mess, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I've gone for pink to go with my nails. I don't know, I'm obsessed with my nail color right now and I love pink, so I'm just applying that and then I'll go into a darker shade later. So now I'm taking this very, very hot pink. You could see it a little bit. I kind of got it cut off the camera and I'm sorry about that, but it's a really, really bright shade of pink. And here you could see I barely put any on, but I go in with more. I'm adding this to the outer V for more depth and just to add a more variety of different pink shades. And yeah, I really like the way it turned out. I also go in with my finger because this shade is so pigmented, it's not even funny. So after I blended that in with my fingers, I ended up using this MAC eyeshadow that I got a while ago, and I can't really tell you the name because it got cut off, like the label faded, but it's a really nice color. And then I also mixed that in with the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, Harajuku, I don't know the name of it. And then I also mixed it in with Pop, and I put all these 3 different shades on my lid just to make a really glittery lid shade, if that makes any sense. I know I'm not good at voiceovers, but I used those 3 shades and it came out really pretty. At first I used it with a flat eyeshadow brush, but I ended up going in with my finger because it just popped more. Then to add some highlight to my brow bones, I ended up going in with the Tarte Stunner 12-hour highlighter, and let me tell you, this shade is super, super pretty and natural. It's not too blinding and it's not too like not pigmented. It's like perfect for a natural look, and I just apply that underneath my brow for a little bit of a highlighter. Then I went in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in 611 Yogurt, and I applied this in the inner corners just to make an inner highlighter, like, you know, more bright, and it also helps open my eyes a lot more. So I just applied this on the inner corner and a little bit on the top line, as you can see. And then I went in with the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner, which you guys know I cannot do eyeliner, but lately I have been doing it pretty good, but my eyeliner's already kind of running out, so it was kind of hard, but I did it and it looks really, really good with the look, and I'm really happy with it. After curling my eyelashes with the eyelash curler, I went in with Maybelline's Great Lash Mascara, which this is a really old mascara, but I just discovered it and it is amazing. It makes my lashes look very long and natural without having too many clumps. So I just added a few coats of that. And that's actually all for the eye look. I'm actually going to do my face makeup off camera because I just basically do my everyday makeup tutorial on my face. So if you guys want to see that video, I'll leave it linked down below and at the end of this video if you want to watch and see how I did my face makeup. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!